movement-based community event. The Prayukti Collective is a performance arm of the larger Prayukti family, and they use Bharatanatyam vocabulary to weave stories and find connections between the complex past traditions of these art forms and equally complex present realities of the world we live in. And they could tell stories of any kind of stories in the current dance form. And beyond its numerous benefits to physical health, Bharatanatyam assumes the role of a unifying catalyst, fostering a safe space wherein one can have open exchanges and cultivate themselves for their overall well-being. Yeah. Nitya, would you like to introduce the first piece? How they bow to the soil and the mother earth before we start any performance.
Good afternoon, namaste, and so happy to be here. Thank you, Vidyani, for having us as part of this lovely conference. We will be presenting two pieces today. The first piece that we present is called Ananda Natana Prakasham. It literally talks about the joy of dance. And this joy of dance is, interestingly in this piece, experienced through the Lord of Dance himself, Nataraja, who in Hindu mythology we believe is the god of dance. So this is the joy of dance as seen through the Lord of Dance. And in this piece, you will also see a small story where there is this devotee of Nataraja of dance, and as he is praying to Nataraja, the Lord of Death, Yama, comes and catches hold of him. And in this story, in the mythological story, the boy is praying to this idol of Nataraja, and from within that idol erupts Nataraja himself, and he sends death away. I think
Asayami Shiva ಕೋಟಿ ಸಕಾಶಂ ವರು ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಸಕಾಶಂ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದ ಪಾದದರ್ಶಿದ ಉದಿತಾಗ ಚರಣಂ ದೀನ ಜನ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣ ಚರಣಂ ದಿವ್ಯ ಪತಂಜಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಘ ಪಾದದರ್ಶಿದ ಉದಿತಾಗ ಚರಣಂ ನಿಸ ಜನು ಕಸನಿ ಹರಿತ ಸಮಾಜ ಮಪಾ ನಿವಾಜ ನಿಸ ಜನು ಕಸನಿ ಸರಿತ ಸಮಾಗಮ ಪಾನಿವಾದ ಸಜನು ಸಟ ಆಗಮ ಮಪ ಸಾನಿ ಅಜಂ ಸರಿ ಆಮಗ ತದಿಗಿನ ಪ್ರಕಾಶಂ ಶ್ರೀತ ಭೇಷಂ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಶಿವ ರಾಮ ವಲ್ಲೀಶ
Traditionally is a pure dance piece in Bharatanatyam, presented towards the end of hour and a half to 4 hour long concert. So in today's Tilana, we thought we'll take a story, and this story belongs to that of a young boy named Krishna. If you know Hindu mythology, Krishna is a significant person in Hindu mythology, but if you don't, it doesn't matter. It is this young, really confident boy who's playing with his friends on the banks of a river, and they're playing ball. And what happens is this ball falls into the river Yamuna, and this river is inhabited by this poisonous snake. This poisonous, for the sake of the fact that we have only 3 and plus 1 dancer, 3-headed snake. Usually they say 100, 101 many, but here you imagine a 3-headed large snake. So all the boys are scared to get the ball, and Krishna says, "Don't worry, I got it." So he jumps into the river and he battles.
Tam dim tadanata, tam dim tadanata. గతి చోర చంద్రమణికార జలభవతి కృతీరన నంద సుకుమార నవనీత గతి చోర చంద్రమణికార జలభవతి కృతీర జయ జయి భవనంద కుమార రజ జన పరమానంద కిశోర కలీయ నటనానంద గంభీర కరుణా రసయుధ భావ శరీ కదీం కదాం కదీం కదాం కదైం దీం నత్తాదీం నత్తాదీం కుమార మహిమాలంక వనమాల పురందర కృతాధార కంచం తగజం తగన్నం తగురం తాకుజనందరి తదకుజనందరి రాజనందరి తదితిక చెడు అద్భుతల రణచిత్తికముద్దిక విద్యకముద్మమ కుతమద్భుత తాకుజనందరి తదకుజనందరి రా విధిశుతకాల విధిశుతశీల గతిశయనీల గతపదలోల తాకుజనందరి తదకుజనందరి రా విధిశుతకాల విధిశుతశీల గతిశయనీల గతపదలోల తాకుజనందరి తదకుజనందరి రా జనందరి తదితిక కిట జగు తదితిక కిట దిమితాగ దిమిత కిట దిమితాగ దిమిత కిట దిమితాగ ಹಿತಕರವರ ಪೂಜಿತ ಪದಯುಗಳ ಹರಿಜನ ವಿಜಯೀ ಭವನಂದ ಕುಮಾರ ರಜ ಜನ ಪರಮಾನಂದ ಕಿಶೋರ ಕಳೀಯ ನಟನಾನಂದ ಗಂಭೀರ ಕರುಣಾ ರಸಯುಧ ಭಾವ ಶರೀರ ಮನ ಮನಕರ ಮನ ಮರದಳ ಸಮನಯನ ಗಮನ ಕಣ ಜನನ ಮುನಿ ಹೃದಯ ವಿಚೋರ ಜಾನರ ದಯಾಕರ ಮುರಾರಿ ಶ್ರೀಕರ ಮನ ಮನಕರ ಮನು ಕರದಳ ಸಮನಯನ ಗಮನ ಕಣ ಜನನ ಮುನಿ ಹೃದಯ ವಿಚೋರ ಜಾನರ ದಯಾಕರ ಮುರಾರಿ ಶ್ರೀಕರ ಮನ ಮನಕರ ಮನು ಕರದಳ ಸಮನಯನ ಗಮನ ಕಣ ಜನನ ಮುನಿ ಹೃದಯ ವಿಚೋರ ಜಾನರ ದಯಾಕರ ಮುರಾರಿ ಶ್ರೀಕರ
We would like to thank the dancers